Good morning, everybody. Um, so yeah, let's get started. So yesterday you did the same thing like this, just for the sound. But today we are doing and remember we don't say because it's a blend. It makes one sound, and that sound is e. Okay. But again, remember in English there's sometimes tricky words, and remember I told you those tricky words, they don't always follow the rule that's normally there, and you'll see that with some of these words. Okay, so the sound today is also e. So say e. I'm going to just go through these words. These words on top is for your game that you are going to do, so I hope you cut out the others yesterday, and then you're going to cut out these 9 as well today. Okay, and then I'll explain the game later. So this word is meat, and that's the meat that we eat. Heal, when you have a cut and your cut heals. Tea, when you drink tea. Weak, when you are not strong, you are weak. Bean, that's the bean that you plant and then it grows, a beanstalk or a plant. And steal, the steal is when you steal something from someone that's not yours. Read a book. Sea, when you out in the ocean and the sea. Okay. Leak is when a tap is leaking, or let's say there's a jar and there's a small cut, you can say the liquid is leaking out, so leak. Okay, then we have these words. Meal, a meal is like supper or dinner or lunch. You call it a meal. I'm going to have a meal now, which means you're going to eat. Leaf, okay, that's the leaf from the trees. East, remember on the earth we have north, east, south, west. Okay, north, east, south, west, and that's east. Then we have neat, when you do your work neatly or you are neat. Beat, when you beat someone in a race. Head, heavy, okay, when something's heavy. Dead, when somebody died. Oh, I put 2 heavies. I'm gonna have to take that out. I didn't see that one. This is breathe. Okay, when you breathe in. Cheap, when something's cheap. And dream. Okay, so let's do another one for this one. Seam. Okay, a seam is at the end of your clothing, like here. This is, or not at the end, but it's got these stitches here, and sometimes at the end by your pants, your jeans, you'll see that is called a seam. Okay, so please write these words down and draw some pictures to help you remember. And then for your game, you are going to, for the rest of the week, just practice. You're gonna lay the cards out on like the floor or something, and you're gonna try, and it's like a memory game. So you open the one card and you open another card. If it doesn't match, you close it again, and then someone else will do it. So you can like play 2 or 3 players, and then you open again and you try and find the match. So if I get meat, I must look for the other meat, and if I get weak, I must look for the other weak. Okay, until all the cards are finished. And if you get it right, you take both of those cards and you keep it. Okay, so yeah, that's for you to remember what the words are and what they mean. And then so we're just gonna talk about, this is creative writing. Today we are doing facts and opinions. Okay, facts and opinions. So, what is a fact and what is an opinion? I want you to pause the video now and try and answer that. Okay, so a fact is something that is always true. A fact, it's called a fact. Okay, opinion, okay, it's the way someone feels about something. That's an opinion. So a fact is something that is always true. No matter where you go, it is always true. So for example, I'm gonna do an example here, and this is my sentence. The sentence is a fact, it's not an opinion. Okay, it's a fact. This is my sentence. This pen is red. That is a fact. It means it is true. Sorry about that. It means it is true. And it will always be true. Even if I'm somewhere else or if someone else comes, anybody will say that this pen is red, because we all know that this color means it's red. Okay, I can't say this is blue, because that's not true. It's red. So something that is always true, okay? An opinion. So it's the way someone feels about something. So how do I feel about something? So I'll use another example. Okay, so here's my opinion. I like this pen. Okay, this sentence is an opinion because just because I like it, it's telling you how I feel about something. So how I feel about this pen is that I like it. But someone else might come and they might not like it. So that's my opinion, is that I feel I like it. But someone else might come and not like it. It's not always true that I like this pen or that this pen is nice. Someone finds it nice. Okay. So I've got some sentences here for us to go over and to say which one is true and which one is false, and then some homework for you to do as well. Okay, so this is the homework one. This is classwork. I'm just gonna start a new video